something big on, guys. It's reeling drag. And we're here, guys. Time to air down. Alright, all aired down. I usually air down just to about 25 psi. Today we're gonna try to go all the way to the end, find a nice spot to camp. It is currently 81 degrees at the beach. Alright guys, so we're currently at Gilgo Beach, and today we're gonna be doing some fishing and we're gonna do some overnight camping on the beach. Let's get unpacked. Alright guys, so to be able to drive on the beach, you have to go on the New York Parks website and get a permit, which is $80. And for lures, I'm just using a piece of gulp and a bucktail on the bottom with a piece of gulp as well. Got a bite, guys, but I missed it. Finally a float. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Finally. That's what we came here for. Cheers, guys. Sorry about the wind noise, guys. The beach is very windy. But today we're gonna be trying out the camp shower bag. We got it off Amazon. So you fill it up with water and it's the hose. So let's see how it goes. Now we close it up. So I only filled it up halfway since I'm gonna just be rinsing off. So it's solar powered, so I'm gonna leave it on top of my roof until I have to take a shower. And it has a temperature thing too. Got something big on, guys. It's drilling drag. Yo. Yo, what the?
Weeks later.
Come on, like max drag, guys. Oh.
No! 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 No!
Man. Alright, think I'm done fishing for the day, guys. Now let's take a shower, see how it is. Uh-oh, guys, it looks like it's about to rain and there's clouds and I need the sun to heat up my shower bag. I give it a 2 out of 10. The water was warm, but the pressure is just too weak.
Please, sir. I want some more.
Well, it's better than nothing. Alright guys, I'm in the back of the truck bed now. The sun is setting. And what a view. What a view. It's too windy outside, so it looks like tonight we're gonna have to cook inside of the truck for the first time. Stay tuned. And today we're gonna be cooking chadorbegi in Korean. In English, I believe it's thinly sliced pieces of brisket. And I wanted something easy to make, easy and quick since we're on the beach. So and we're gonna be eating that with rice. So I found this prepackaged rice and I usually use it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds, but we'll try doing it on the stove top. It says you have to heat the unopened package then boiling water for 10 minutes. So let's see how it goes. So while we wait for the water to boil, we'll make the dipping sauce for the beef. And you're gonna need sesame oil, and then you add some salt, and then some pepper. Don't be afraid to go heavy on the salt and pepper because this meat we're not gonna season it, so we're just gonna be dipping it in here. Right, water looks like it's about to boil, so in there. Oh, look at that sunset, guys. Alright, it's been about 12 minutes now, so I'll turn this off. Damn it, I left my tongs in this basket, which is supporting this, so we're gonna fetch them out. We're gonna let it sit. literally like 10 seconds and they're done. Got on like super low heat since they're so thin. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's see how it looks. Wow, not bad. And I also brought some samjang, which is seasoned soybean paste. And also I brought some red leaf lettuce, so you could wrap them up with the rice and then put some samjang in there and it'll be delicious. And this is what it looks like. So grab a piece of lettuce, add some rice in there. Get a piece of beef and then coat it with some samjang, and then you put it in there and you roll it up. It's really good. Make another bowl. Some rice. Or if you guys get adventurous, you could double dip. Mm-hmm. All done. That was a good meal. And it was really easy to cook. Sup Gators. So all cleaned up and just laying here listening to the waves. It's pretty relaxing. So I was afraid that it was gonna be cold at the beach, because usually it's like 10 degrees colder at the beach, but the weather says that it is currently 74 degrees and it's gonna get down to about 67 as the lowest, so that should be all right. And camping on the beach was pretty fun, but the annoying part is all that sand when you have to get back into your truck. So the OCD in me made me bring a mini vacuum, so I could pick up little bits of sand. Now that all the hard work is done, we'll crack open a Modelo. Gotta get in the bar taco beer koozie. Cheers, Gators. like I always say, nothing like a cold beer after a hard day of truck camping. Yo, you felt that?
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, Gators. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, Gators. Woke up to watch the sunrise. And look at this view. Alright, let's try some morning fishing now. Fish on! Nope. Look like a giant pile of seaweed. I caught a bag. People gotta clean up after themselves, man. Fish on, guys! I think it's a sea robin. Popping. Yeah. Oh man, you're a fat one. You're a big old sea robin. Fish on, guys. What we got? I think it's a sea robin. Yep. Whoa, this is big boys today. There are big boys today. And for breakfast, I'm just trying to make something quick, so got some ramen. It's a spicy seafood flavor. These flies are killing me. Freaking. On the beach, you gotta deal with flies, and in the woods, you gotta deal with mosquitoes. Can't win. These things hurt when they bite, too. Alright, guys, we're all packed up here. I'm ready to hit the road. Got stuck, guys. Sand is really soft. All right, now time to air up. Alright guys, thanks for coming truck camping on the beach with me, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, see you later, Gators. And don't forget to wash off all the salt and sand from your vehicle.